A perfect tea time snack for everyone. It is quick, easy and delicious also. Ingredients. For pizza dough. 1/3 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 tsp baking powder. 2-1/2 tablespoon milk. As per taste salt. For pizza topping. 1 tablespoon barbecue sauce. 2 to 3 tablespoon mozzarella cheese grated. As required chopped onion, chopped capsicum and chopped paneer. As needed oregano and red chili flakes for garnishing. Step 1. In a mixing bowl add all-purpose flour, baking powder, milk and salt. Mix well. Step 2. Knead it for a minute. If the dough is little dry, then add 1/2 tsp milk and knead again. Step 3. Take a plate and place the dough ball over it. And start flattening with your fingers. Step 4. Prick the pizza base with a fork. Take a microwave-safe plate and with a parchment paper. Place the base on the plate and microwave for 40 seconds. Step 5. Now take the pizza base out of the microwave and apply some barbecue sauce. Step 6. Add grated mozzarella cheese, chopped onion, capsicum, and paneer. Step 7. Microwave for another 50 seconds until cheese melts. Take it out. Sprinkle some oregano and red chili flakes. Serve hot.